Hi friends! Welcome to the Learn the Alphabet with Animals ABC matching game. Today, we're going to learn the alphabet with some amazing animals. Let's get started. A is for alligator. Alligators have big teeth and love to swim in swamps. B is for bear. Bears are big and strong, and they love to eat honey. C is for cat. Cats are curious and love to play with yarn. D is for dolphin. Dolphins are smart and love to play in the ocean. E is for elephant. Elephants have long trunks and love to splash water. F is for frog. Frogs can jump high and love to sit on lily pads. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are tall and can reach high leaves. H is for hippo. Hippos love to stay cool in the water. I is for iguana. Iguanas are colourful and love to climb trees. J is for jaguar. Jaguars are strong and stealthy hunters. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos can hop far and carry their babies in pouches. L is for lion. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. M is for monkey. Monkeys love to swing from tree to tree. N is for narwhal. Narwhals are known for their long spiral tusks. O is for owl. Owls can see well in the dark and are very wise. P is for penguin. Penguins love to slide on the ice and swim in the cold waters. Q is for quail. Quails are small birds that run quickly and live in meadows. R is for rabbit. Rabbits are quick and love to nibble on vegetables. S is for sheep. Sheep are fluffy animals that love to graze on grass, play in the fields, and stay together in flocks. T is for turtle. Turtles move slowly and have strong shells. U is for unicorn. Unicorns are magical creatures with a single horn. V is for vulture. Vultures soar high and keep the environment clean. Letter W is for whale. Whales are majestic creatures that love to swim, sing, and dive deep into the ocean. X is for X-ray tetra. X-ray tetras are small, transparent fish that love to swim and explore freshwater rivers. Letter Y is for yak. Yaks are sturdy animals that love to graze on high mountain pastures, stay warm with their thick fur. Z is for zebra. Zebras love to graze on grass, run swiftly across the savannah, and stay together in their striped herds for protection and companionship. Thank you for watching Dnix Learning Adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning the alphabet with our fun animal matching game. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting educational videos. Join us again for more adventures in learning. See you next time.